Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Anki for customizable learning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch the Anki application. If you do not have Anki installed, download it from the official Anki website. Once Anki is open, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Preferences option and click on it. In the Preferences window, locate the Add-ons tab. Click on the Add-ons tab to explore available enhancements. To install a new add-on, visit the Anki web add-ons page using your preferred web browser. Find an add-on that matches your learning needs. Copy the add-on code provided on the Anki web page. Return to the Anki add-ons section. Click on the Get Add-ons button. Paste the copied add-on code into the text box that appears. Click OK to begin the installation of the add-on. After the add-on is successfully installed, restart your Anki application. Once Anki is reopened, return to the Add-ons window in Preferences. Here, you can see a list of all installed add-ons. Select the add-on you wish to configure for customizable learning. Click on the Config button if available to adjust its settings. Make the adjustments according to your preferred learning style. Save your changes and exit the configuration window. Now, return to the main Anki interface. Create or open a deck you want to study. Choose the study options to maximize your learning experience. Begin studying by selecting the Study Now button. As you study, utilize the features from your customized add-ons. Review your progress regularly to track improvements. Adjust the add-on settings as needed to enhance your learning strategy. Explore additional add-ons to diversify your learning tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.